Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. If this is your first time seeing me, kindly do subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really do appreciate. So today, the first step I have for you today is what type of business you want to do. No, don't start a business because you know, oh, this person is starting this particular business. Don't start your business because you see this person being successful because of this particular business. Don't start your business like that. Start your business with your interest. You have to start a business with something you're interested in. Another step I have here: do all your research. Research is really very important. After you know what you want to sell, your niche, everything, then you have to do research on how you can promote your business, on different type of stuff. So do your research. Name of your business. So after you get what you want to sell, what will you be selling, what your business will be about, after you've done your research, the next step you need to do is know the name of your business. Let's get your domain name. Open a business account. So after getting those first steps, then you need to open a business account, an account with your business name, so you know, okay, yes, this is the amount I start with, this is how much I'm gaining, and open an email address. So you're going to open an email address with your name, with your business name. So when you gotten your business name, you are going to open a Gmail account, an email account with that business name. So if anybody wants to make a business inquiry, maybe they want to buy in bulk or anything, they can actually like email you ASAP. It's very important to have an email address for your business. And the next step here is for you to create a business plan. Business plan is, it involves how much you like to sell your business, whatever you're selling, how much you like to sell it, how much you will gain, how much are you planning to invest. So next thing is know how much you are going to spend, know how you can get the money to start marketing. Marketing is a really very important step before you start any business. Know how you're going to market it, know your strategy, know what other people's research. When you've done your research, you know, oh, this is people that sell the same thing as me, this is what they are doing, this is what they are not doing. I can know, okay, yes, this person is different, this person is unique. Last one I have here is love what you do. You have to love what you do. You have to be comfortable with what you are doing, because if you're not comfortable with what you are doing, then what's the essence of starting the business? If you are starting business because of just the money, then if you get another money somewhere, you actually just leave your business there, just being stranded and nothing. So love what you do. If you guys enjoyed this video, kindly do subscribe, click the like button, comment down below.